Mashallah, mashallah, my friends, see the beautiful view of the sky. Clouds are floating in the sky. Mashallah, mashallah. Rain is coming. Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family, my friends. How are you? How all of you are fine? Today I am here with another wonderful recipe of yummy fruits. My friends, my today's recipe is very healthy and it is very good for your stomach. And today I am going to make juice for you, and we will use papaya, apples and bananas for it. Friends, now I will cut apples. Four apples of medium size are maximum for this recipe. This drink is very healthy, good for children. Now I will cut papaya. This is very healthy. Friends, we will use 2 packets of milk. This is half kg milk and 3 tablespoons of sugar for this recipe. You can use sugar according to your taste. And now we will put all these ingredients in blender jar and blend them well. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sugar, milk, my friends, my tasty and yummy recipe is ready. I will taste it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So yummy. So friends, if you like my recipe, please share it with your family and friends, and also subscribe my channel. So see you next time with another wonderful and colorful recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz.